Do you want to convert your WordPress posts into professional PDFs with watermarks in a few clicks? With the Watermark WordPress Files extension, you can do this easily. Let me show you how. First, install and activate the extension. Before you start exporting, you need to configure the watermark settings. Click on the Export tab. Here you can add a header with your watermark text, a footer with your website URL or branding, and enable page numbers. These will be your watermark on every page. Click Save Changes. Now go to Posts and select any published post. Open the post editor and look at the right sidebar. See that blue button that says Export this post to PDF? Click it. Done! Your post is now a PDF with your watermark header, footer, and page numbers. That's seriously it. You can download and save it. But what if you want to combine multiple posts into one PDF? The plugin can do that too. In the left sidebar, click Watermark WordPress Files to open settings. Click on the Export tab. Scroll down to Export Multiple Pages. Now you can select multiple posts in the Content dropdown. Add a header that becomes your watermark text. Add a footer with your website URL or branding. Enable page numbers, automatic page breaks, and table of contents to create automatic navigation. Name your PDF file and then click Export PDF. And that's it. A multi-page PDF is generated with a table of contents, page numbers, headers, and footers. Completely professional. All done in under 3 minutes. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials.